Hi traders, Anthony here. This is a tutorial. This is a day trading strategy. No technical analysis required whatsoever. I've counted back 15 trades and we have a 15 out of 15 win rate with this. This is ALGORAND. We're trading a 30-minute time frame, and here's the strategy. Breakout signal fires. We wait for the pullback, retest and fail, which happened actually here. And there's your trade. The only criteria is that this indicator down the bottom, this is my multi-time frame indicator, giving us a weekly, daily, 4, 2 and 1 hour, must be agreeable with the signal. So if we get a green signal, I want to see 3 out of 5 of these bars down here green. So that gives me the go ahead to take that trade. So we can go back. I've marked out 15 of these. Every single one of these has been profitable. I mean, look at this outcome here. Okay, looking down the bottom, we've got 3 out of 5 green. There's your breakout signal. We wait for the pullback down into retest and fail. All right, we take it. Now the stop loss will go under here, and then we trail this. Now once we're trading up around our entry price, you can start to pull your stop loss in, and I like to place it around about halfway through the cloud here. That's my happy spot. And then you get taken out up here. You're trailing it pretty much. Very simple. There's no nonsense, no TA. We just trade these signals. They fire in the alerts log over here, and we take them. I mean, look at this trade. There's your breakout. Everything's red across the board down the bottom. What a nice outcome. Stop loss is going to be, trailing through the cloud here. 15 out of 15. Okay, some of them are short-lived, not as profitable as others. Okay, this one here was, there's the pullback into the mean. You could have closed here or there. Some of these other ones where we get a decent run, look at that. That's profitable, big time. Breakout, we've got 3 out of 5 agreeable down the bottom. Red, we take the trade. So there's a green one here, nice trade. There's a red break that was a bit short-lived, but we still made money. Now, here's the thing though. I'm saying, no TA. Trade directly off the signal, and if we get 3 out of 5 down the bottom agreeable, we go with it. If you include a little bit of technical analysis, and let's say you open up a couple of other charts and have a look, and you see an opportunity with this break here. We got this V, and if you can spot, or you can create an argument, then definitely add a little bit of technical analysis to the mix, and you increase your profitability. Okay, you take some of these trades that you may have missed. However, in saying that, there's so many opportunities without having to do that. And look at this trade, and this is where some of these runs really make a difference. So 15 trades back, and look at this, guys. There's a link below the video in the signature, in the description. You'll be able to gain full access to the indicators. There's a 7-day trial, and after that, if you're keen to stay on board, it's only $19.95 a month. You buy me a couple of cups of coffee and a cake every month, and you've got full access. I just want to make this available to other people. I earn a living trading, and I spend my entire waking life developing and refining my strategy, my systems, and it's about making money. Bottom line, if I don't make money, I don't eat. So I've invested a lot in these indicators and strategies. So jump on board, guys. Links below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, smash the likes. My YouTube channel needs a bit of love. And look, pass the link around. If you've got a Twitter account, post it into Twitter for me. That would be amazing. And it will benefit a lot of people. Okay, guys, with that, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next video.